How to fix iPhone screen flickering issue in iOS 17. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Scroll down. Head towards the option of accessibility. Open it. Now go to the option display and text size. Scroll all the way down. You'll find the option of auto brightness. Toggle it off. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, head back. Go to the main page of settings. Open the option general. Scroll all the way down. Click on shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open this option, software update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, head back, scroll all the way down, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all settings. Now type in your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone screen flickering issue in iOS 17. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.